What do all of these movies and TV shows have in common? Looking at the list, you would think it's a collection of a lot of different genres, including different actors, different points of view, different ages, different content. You wouldn't think that they would have a common theme. But they do. They do. All of these movies and TV shows somehow represent tinnitus in their film. You'll see now in the description that someone or the producer may show tinnitus for different reasons. The first two, of course, are classic war movies where we have probably all seen in some way the explosion goes off and there is a muffled hearing sensation and probably some ringing. That is your classic representation of an explosion where you may have tinnitus and a change in hearing. But on some of them, you'll see that it isn't always related or directly related to a change in hearing. There could be some psychological factors that can be feeding into your tinnitus and potentially turning up the dial for your tinnitus. What a psychological representation of tinnitus can look like for some of these movies below, less related to explosions, may be the two characters are having an important conversation and they receive really heavy news. You can see the other person's mouth moving, but the director or producer decides to replace that audio with the high-pitched constant tone. So you can imagine why there's a lot of confusion as to why some people have tinnitus and some people don't, or two very different patients can come in with that same complaint of tinnitus, but the reason why they have it is very different. The main takeaway for this video is that tinnitus can affect anyone and everyone from different ages, from different walks of life, in different stages of their life as well, just like all of those movies. It is important that you meet with a qualified healthcare professional who can recognize that and work with you with your specific tinnitus concerns.